I cannot.
All right. So I just changed Burger Man name a while ago.
To Burger King.
To Burger King. So, as I mentioned earlier, this morning's rollout is a little bit different from the ordinary. What is it going on this morning?
It's a staff edition. This is going to be hilarious. I cannot, no, I don't know if I can contain myself. Missing me disappears because I'm going to the bathroom. The rules remain the same. Everybody gets a minute. Why are we keeping the rules the same? We should have 2. Yeah. Don't it? Anyway, so it's time to roll out.
Our contestants would be the man who I call the president. Him really named Colson. Well, his name is Colson Anderson, and he runs the VTR. What's the VTR? Video tape recorder.
And he have no manners.
Yeah.
And
so sometimes we bust out a laugh is because him says something which I can't tell you.
Yeah.
But we ain't call him Colson this morning. Here is the president.
Hey, yo, Yo, that's one name. Big up my smile team. Big up Never Belly, girl, them say you're going well. Big up Simone Clark. Man, I left the crew, but them say you're much cuter. Big up me camera crew, Prince in the place. Big up Mary, you ever Irie. Big up Ari, and one arrow. Them on the shop like a sparrow. Big up all them and them in the all the place. Big up all Cap and the one Ferran. Them and the props one pan. Big up Burro, the Rector Guru. Big up Spence, him a other man. Them man, him a the pan. Big up Wendy, the graphics real. Your graphics ever nice and clean. Big up Ready. The tech up man.
All right, come on, find something. How much you give him, please? Whoa.
10.
You give him a 5.
10.
Let him get a 5. Full 5. All right.
Whoa.
All right, no.
Karen is crying. Wait. Londa is crying. Okay.
Wait, no. This next one is a little unfair because this one is a seasoned entertainer. He has songs on YouTube. He has songs on iTunes. Yeah, he have songs all over. iPhone, everything. The man have sung all about the place. But his name, his right name is Omawale, but for this man, we're just going to call him Wally.
Bigger Tough.
Bigger Tough, a.k.a. Wally. Here's Bigger Tough.
Yo, hear it. One drop. Hey, more time I can't even afford a bread and butter. Mama ball cause her son gone to the gutter. Tired feet in and out of the shutter. The Osha Simpson and Joe less I'm writing this letter. Why you can't make poor people life better? Every get a youth wanna be a trendsetter. Hey! Winter is over, so this so I can cover. He don't know how roll out no new Land Rover. Kids to my bay, we roll on the cover. Woo! One drop. Big up Simon, never big up. The glamity, me tell yourself it give me some. Long time you want it. Tell you to bring it home. The boyfriend, I tell you not to bring it on. Easy. One love, big attack.
Wait, no. Glamity. What is glamity? Bigger Top. What is glamity?
Wale, you let me down.
All right, how much you give him, man, sir?
I have to give him 9 because I was with him, but then he went to the wrong place.
Oh, more. You gave him 4.
Somebody take a shot of Karin. Karin is dying.
Oh, more is 4.
Somebody take a shot. Karin. Karin is there.
It's 4 of them we have this man, right?
Yes, man. Bring it on. Sit down.
Me don't afraid to say that Virginia me I carry.
Me
I carry that Virginia. Him name Brian Cuff, but again, for this purpose, his name...
Somebody send the medics for Karin.
His name is B. Sizzle.
Oh.
Here's B. Sizzle.
Gospel.
Smile Jamaica, let's have some fun. Yeah, here we go. Some sing bass, some sing treble, but none of them no skill like me and Neville. Listen up, Simone, we roll out. Sometimes we run in. We don't want to compete, but we still are going to win. There, hear me now.
can't tell you how Jesus saved my soul, how he freed my spirit and he made me whole. It's a mystery to me, that's why I sing today. I pray that Christ Jesus will show us the way. Well, I gotta tell you all of my problems tonight, how Satan tried to fill me with fear and fright, but Christ lifted me up and he gave me new sight. He ran in like a knight in shining armor, said to them, you can't harm him. Yes, that's why I know I will win, because Christ is king and for him I will sing. So smile, big up yourself.
Hey, pay him. Me tell you, him get 15. 11.
Yeah.
So him get 6 out of 5.
Yeah, run it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we kept I was going to say the best, but we kept the biggest for the last. We never necessarily keep the best, but we keep the best. Right? Here is
Burger King.
Burger King in the house.
Look pon me with me belly. All of the girls them say me sexy. Simone Clark, look pon me. Never been nobody say nothing to me. Me work on 94, me no work on 93. Them call me Burger Man and Bergie. Hey, all of the girls them say them love me. What me say? Hey, man deliver. Hey, wheel out, easy. I love you, Jamaica. I love you. Jamaica, I love you. Yeah. You show love for you. Fling. Yeah. You show love for you. Fling. Yeah. I love you, Jamaica. Thank you. God bless you all. God bless you, Jamaica.
Oh, gosh. All right. Even though I'm not in charge, we have a call and decide who win this, even though I'm not in charge.
No, 20.
No.
20.
Oh, Burger Man win.
Wait,
Burger
20.
Man get 20 out of 5.
20.
Burger King, 20 out of 5. Wow. Ah, there you go. I was lying. I was lying. We have one more contestant. Shauna Tuna. Hey.
Oh, gosh. Don't put Shauna under pressure.
All right.
Never, you should do the last one.
They must be mad. No. After a performance like Burger King, me dead.
No,
but them call you Burgie.
That was the best rollout in history.
All right,
What?
folks. Yeah,
Who
we're
gonna
done.
take us out?
Where is the president?
President win?
Who's
No, man. Burger King win.
Burger King win.
I think we should do a rollout.
Come on,
Like, to
come on,
come out,
Pasty.
just send the mic and everybody do a piece.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't it?
All right, Burger King.
Burger King and his belly.
Say a speech, can you win?
I want to thank my mother, who's all the way in Jamaica foreign. Thanks to my father in debt though. And thanks to all the people who vote for me. Remember to see me. Text the number 4440 Waleed.
Yeah, we're gone. Thanks for watching.
Burger King can take us out. You up again, Burger.
Weekend Smile tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Let's start. This is your son, Monday.
No,
Take
sir.
care.